Edmond Police Officer Caleb Hodam was wrapping up a simple traffic warning when a man he'd never met suddenly approached from behind. Within seconds, a burst of chemical spray filled the air, and a hidden blade changed everything. What started as routine turned into a desperate fight for survival.
I promise next time you see me, it'll have it.
Light gray box at the bottom.
Light gray?
Yeah, just down there. Perfect. Not an admission of guilt, just stating that you show up on or before the court date, okay?
I don't have to, as long as it's paid.
Stop! Stop!
Edmond, start me another. Start me another.
Stop!
Blinded and bleeding, Officer Hodam struggled to hold off the attacker, who reached toward his duty belt in an attempt to gain control. The body cam, knocked to the pavement, kept recording. It's here we witness the raw reality of sudden ambushes. No time to react, no backup in sight.
Stop!
There's nothing left. Just do me a favor, man. I've done my life.
Yes!
I only ask.
What do you need? Take the knife away from him.
Sir, I only ask.
Say drop it, drop it, drop it. Sir, drop it.
You do me this favor.
Sir, drop it. Drop it, sir.
As the struggle continued, an unlikely hero appeared. A bystander rushed in, helping to wrest the weapon away from the suspect. This act of bravery may have saved the officer's life. It's a reminder, danger doesn't always come with warning signs, and help sometimes comes from the most unexpected places.
Sir, drop it. Please drop it. Please, don't hurt anybody. Please, in the name of God. Get on my radio. Please don't drop anybody. Don't drop it. Sir, drop it. Sir, drop it. Stop.
Shoot me, man. I got nothing to live for. 22?
Yes, you do, buddy. You have everything to live for.
No.
Yes.
I'm supposed to be in prison today. But I ain't doing that.
There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Stop, dude. Help him. He's been stabbed. He's been stabbed.
You okay?
The suspect said he had nothing left to live for and repeatedly asked to be harmed, but officers responded with restraint. Hodam, injured but focused, called for backup while staying in the fight. He held the line until more units arrived. They brought the suspect under control and quickly placed him in custody.
Shoot.
Yep.
Roll him over.
Got him. Come on. Come on.
Get on your stomach now.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
He's getting that arm from me.
The suspect, identified as 22-year-old Ocean Hudson, was wanted on previous warrants. He now faces a range of serious charges. This wasn't a planned traffic stop gone wrong. It was a random act of violence that could have ended much worse without the officer's training and a citizen's quick thinking.
Nope. Tase him, dude. Tase the out of him.
Officer Hodam was taken to the hospital for treatment and has since been released. This footage highlights the unpredictable nature of law enforcement, even during routine stops, and it raises important questions. What drives someone to target an officer? And how crucial is public involvement during moments like these? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.